Nothing beats a warm pot of bitter leaf soup after a long day. I started by seasoning my meat. Started with salt, onions, onion cube, and then I added my stockfish, pepper mix, and my dried fish. So I added water to cook it through until it was tender. After that, I added palm oil. I mixed everything together to combine. Added pepper mix, added ogiri, which is a local seasoning. I had to dissolve it so that it can be well blended into the soup. And then I added crayfish, and then the thickener for the soup, which is achi. I mixed everything together and allowed it to simmer gently. I adjusted my seasoning, allowed it to boil very well, and then I added my leaf, which is the uziza leaf, followed by my washed bitter leaf, and I have to mix all together to cook through so that all the flavors can marry together. And just like that, a rich pot of bitter leaf soup is ready.